Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar fell 0.8% against the yen in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.5% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices fell about 2% to a 6-week low on rising expectations of a ceasefire in Gaza and growing demand concerns in China. That put both crude benchmarks on track for their lowest closes since June the 7th and pushed both into technically oversold territory for the first time since early June. The yen rose for a second straight session against the dollar, boosted by comments from a senior Japanese politician about normalizing monetary policy, adding pressure on the Bank of Japan to continue hiking interest rates to boost the currency. Ether ETFs are now officially trading on stock exchanges, and the preliminary inflow data for the first 15 minutes of trading has been revealed by analysts. According to Bloomberg senior analyst Eric Bokunas, Bitwise outperformed its competitors during the first quarter hour of trading, recording $25.5 million in capital inflows.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 30Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The US new home sales will be released at 14 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT, Finland's Producer Price Index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.